gonna talk about a very common issue sometimes users face when they try to use NCD USB modem or Ethernet modem and they can't talk to alpha station. So you might see an error like this. So let's go alpha station. My port is 5. This is my baud rate. I'll connect and then I will click sensor view and setup. It will come with an error that it cannot talk to the modem, unable to communicate with the modem. So most cases, almost all, this error comes when the USB modem cannot talk to uh, the radio module. So to do that, we can follow this guide over here, and we can check the radio modules firmware, all the settings, and if everything is good, uh, then we can get it going. So to do it, the step one is you go and download XCTU from here. I already have downloaded, so I'm gonna go and open the XCTU. Once you open that, the next step is open the radio in the XCTU. To do it, you will need a USB cable connected to the modem because the modem can only talk over USB. The XCTU can only talk over USB. It does not understand Ethernet. So I have it connected to USB. So port 5, click finish. Once it's done that, we'll go here. We'll let it load. Okay, so if the easiest way to do it is just click default, click yes, and then click right. Here are some of the settings which we will look. First, we need to check network ID. Make sure it's the default 7FFF. Then in this case, it is default. Then we'll check the next setting. Make sure it is enabled, EE enabled. Then the key is default key is this. You control C, control, keep doing it till it turns into red. Okay, I typed too many times, so I'll start deleting one by one till it turns green again. And this is the default key. And then the next setting is the baud rate. It should be 1150 to 00. And then the next setting right here. The final is API. It should be without skip. This one. Once you set all these 4 settings, then go on right. Once you do that, we'll just close the XCTU. And we'll go to alpha station again. We'll click 5, we'll do this. It's opened, and then we'll see if it data shows from a sensor. You need to make sure your sensor is powered on, and you can press reset button there. So we have the sensor sending this data. You can put into configure mode. You can configure by press and release the R button, then hold the config button for 6 seconds. Once you do that, you will see it will go into config mode and start reading the settings. You can change the settings and then you can do it. That's about it. One more thing which you might want to learn is about XCTU. You can also download the profile from NCD GitHub, and then you can apply that recovery files, and you can load the recovery files inside the module using the XCTU as well. You can follow this guide. I'll post a link here, and that's about it. Thank you.